you're looking for a great way to upgrade your infotainment system on your car, the AI box Car Magic Box is going to be an awesome option for you. So this little device right here connects via USB-C or regular USB to your car, and it basically upgrades your whole infotainment system. So you can connect Android Auto, CarPlay. It also comes with a built-in Android system where you can play, believe it or not, TikTok, YouTube, Netflix by connecting this device to, let's say, your hotspot on your phone. So if you're on the go and you want to watch a movie, you can actually do that, or you can watch YouTube videos. It also has a slot right here for a memory card that you can actually preload movies, videos, whatever you want, so you can actually enjoy it while you are on the go. So, it will use the screen on your car as a display for you to be able to use it. So, in order to use, normally CarPlay and Android Auto, you have to plug into a cable. This allows you to do the same thing, but do it in a wireless way. So you can ditch the cables. You just have to connect it directly, the dongle, to the actual USB port on your car, and you're good to go. So if you're looking for an awesome way, easy way to upgrade the infotainment system in your car, the AI box is going to be a great option for you.